Ah, one of my favorites, the Lakshmi Gayatri Mantra. This is extremely powerful. It's a great tool for saturating your basic chakra and your environment and your city with prosperity energies. Master Choa once said to me, while scanning the basic chakras of a group of students, listening to and chanting along with the Gayatri Mantra, Master Choa had just recorded this and released it. It was in 2002 on a retreat on the East Coast. I was standing outside the room where Master was playing this for the class for the first time. And he said, wow, it makes their basic chakras like a boulder. And I was like, okay, gotta get that. At the time, you couldn't buy it. Now you can buy this. Before, it had to be like level 5 or Hatha Yoga, or have a Hatha Yoga center. So it helps deeply root you to the Mother Earth, and just playing it in the background quietly. But this works great for people who are space cadets or not rooted like there should be. People who are very spiritual, they bliss out and may not be rooted to the earth. Also, people that meditated, they need to get rooted more, but also ground out the excess energy. And this does that. When you bathe your aura with prosperity energies, it attracts similar vibrations of prosperity and abundance. This recording will fill your home office with prosperity energy. So, if the feng shui of your house is not correct, or your office, play this mantra. Or if you need more prosperity, play it. The Gayatri Mantra. This brings the energy of the being behind the sun. And we talked about this earlier already. But it's an ancient mantra. Oh, this is about the Lakshmi Mantra. This is basically just saying what the Lakshmi Mantra is. You can grab this from praniclifestyle.com or on Amazon.